A very good morning to all of you. Today we will revise the chapter Public Property and Private Properties Taking Care of. So how can you be a good citizen and how can you be a responsible citizen to take care of these things? So very broadly, if we are discussing about private property and public property, it means the property that is owned by ourselves, it is ours. Okay, so they are known as private properties, and the property that is for of the whole nation and everyone has the right to use it. So those type of properties are known as public property. Private property, I am the owner and I am taking care of it myself. If it is damaged, I will be the loser. But in the public property, we all are using it, we all are taking the facilities. But if it is damaged by someone, we all will be the loser. So it is our prime duty to take care of the public properties. How can we take care of the public properties? First thing, always think that you should not involve in yourself in any indulge things or any such activities where you are harming the public properties. Somewhere violence, people show their violence on buses, cars, railway properties, so they are damaging these things. But at last we are the losers. We are only paying our taxes, and by those taxes only they are again repaired. So in the other way we are only becoming the loser. Suppose you are children, you are going to the school, it is your school. That means it is yours also, your friend's school also, your teachers are also teaching there. So everybody is involved in that school. So it is your prime duty to take care of the school property also. Do not disturb or do not destroy anything, and don't let others also to do that. So it is one of your duty to take care by not making harm to the properties of the school, like bench, chairs, books of the libraries, then walls which is nicely painted over, don't write on that. So in this way you are exploiting and making it dirty, and don't, you are not doing. But if your friend is doing, immediately ask him not to do that. In this way, what he is harming, inform him. What more we have to, how we can become a good citizen? By taking part in election. Every 5 years in our country, election takes place. So as a citizen of our country, a man who is 18 years and above, they are all involved in this selection procedure. The election procedure takes place in a very massive way, and it is the representative whom we are choosing and they are working for us. So it is our prime duty to always take participation in election. Whom we are electing, whom we are casting the vote, first we should see the person nicely, and his criteria, his education and his background, whatever he has commented that he will do for us, whether he has done in the past years or not, or what is his aims towards the society. So after seeing all those things, we should only cast our vote, because every vote is very important for election. Next, the properties like museum, monuments, public libraries, it is our duty to look after it. Suppose we are going to a public library, we are hiring a book and we are taking it at home, we are reading it. So we have to take care of the pages. We should not write on it, because you have to think, and in due time we should return it to the library, because we have to keep it in mind. But after reading the book, it will go to another hand, somebody else will use it. So it is our prime duty to keep it properly. You are going to visit a museum, don't touch anything. You see the things of the ancient times, and nobody, don't allow anybody, somebody is having the habit of stealing things from the museums. Monuments, don't write on the monuments, because they are the what I will tell, they are the heritage, they are the properties which we have conserved for years and years, so that our future generation can see it. So it is our duty to preserve it. Next, we should pay the tax in due time. Every citizen of India is earning and is having the duty to pay tax in time, because with this tax only the maintenance of the public properties are done, like roads, railways, buses, everything, monuments, museums, every public properties are being taken care of, and government has made some departments to take care of these things. So I hope you have understood this chapter. In a very short, I have tried to explain the whole chapter. Thank you.